They drove Justin's A7, or that thing is flat.
He's developing his need for speed.
Oh yeah, it's still there.
You know, I can find all sorts of OEM parts.
Is there more?
We can find more.
So like, you know, you had your first few videos, subscribe to the channel, and then at night, you know, let's watch the channel.
I like it.
So how, you gotta tell me, how did the small little shop in St. Charles evolve into this? Because it seemed like,
I don't know.
1 month to the next, I'm like, well, that's a, you know.
That's a big jump, yeah. Well, it was just one of those situations where this place was going up for sale and I knew, like, I could never build it for what I could buy it for. It's really cool, isn't it? I've never... Isn't that one cool? Which one do you want? Hold on, let me help you though.
This one.
You want to check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing's been here forever. This thing's sketchy, let me tell you. That's pretty wild, huh? That's a dangerous machine right there.
Yeah.
What? You probably could have cleared that. That's good. What you think about that?
Cool, shut the door.
Appreciate it.
Pretty cool.
Consignment, primarily. Oh yeah, so this is their building, and then we're separate. What's up, dude?
Just had a customer from buying his police car, and he goes, "You know, Huddleston's gonna come over and take it, and do a video with it."
Who is it?
His name's Dan Mudd.
I know Dan. Yeah.
I didn't know you know him. He's like, "Oh yeah." He goes, "You know he's gonna come."
Oh,
steal it."
100%.
I was just on the phone with him right
When
now.
does he get here?
He goes, "He's gonna definitely steal it." I'm like, "Oh, I want to play with it so bad, man."
Look, dude, you can print anything you want. You can print a toy right there. Isn't that crazy? Don't touch it though. What?
How do you do that though?
Magic. So you can make this right from that.
What's this?
That's a putty knife. Be careful with that, please. Thanks, sir.
I just type it up.
No. You can't be getting all rowdy back here now. I think you've seen everything at this point, dude.
I'm
Oh,
gonna take out that big van.
the big van? All right, let's go get in the truck and that'll do it. That's a big old rig you're in now. Well, we're not starting this. Okay, I guess we're starting this one. Put it in there. You know how to do it?
Is it gonna be loud?
It sounds like a jet. Try it. No, it doesn't sound like that crazy, but just try it. All right, you gotta put your foot on the brake.
No.
Here, I'll push it. Now turn the key. Turn it hard. You like the tour?
I want to see more.
Well, we can't keep getting more square footage for you to keep seeing. I mean, we're kind of at the end of the rope now. If you want to get one last fix in, you can get in that one.
There you go. Huh?
Tim the Toolman Taylor. Most excited. No, we're not starting this one. All right, fine, we'll start this one. Get the key. All right, hold on. Hold on. Ugh.
It's gonna be loud.
All right, turn the key. Turn the key. Good job, dude. All right, leave it on. Leave it on. Don't turn it off. Okay. All right, that's that. Woo! Like magic, baby.
Dakota, what are you doing?
I am doing an exhaust mod on this Carrera 4S, and typically, like on the Porsches, there's an option to have the Valvetronic
exhaust from the factory. But unfortunately, this car didn't have it. The owner wanted a little more noise, so basically, you just saw me cutting that there. But there is a factory plug they weld in here, and so like the Valsonic muffler itself is the same as like any other Carrera, but instead they take this plug out and they add this with a valve here, but it's just going to be open all the time now. So basically bypasses all the baffles on the inside of the exhaust system just to come in here, stay in this one channel, and move out to there. So make a little more noise.
Sweet. All right, thanks,
I
brother.
believe I got that on one take.
Yeah.